Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create an explosion in our terminal. So first of all we'd like to write import OC time random. Yep. And then we'd like to write emojis equals. Okay, so first emoji I would like to put is a spark. Yep. Or fire, it doesn't matter. Like, let's put this one. Then, okay, let's write spark. So we put the fire. Let's write, I don't know, bomb. Yep, here we go, a bomb. So I don't know, something related with. So let's write fire and see what comes up. No, spark's better. Spark. Yep. So we got this dynamite too. And we'd like to also write spark, and I would like to put this one too. So okay, so next thing we'd like to do is write width, height, equals 20, 10. Yep, and then we'd like to write while true. We'd like to write oc.system, like always, CLC if oc dot name equals nt, else clear. Yep, guys. Oh, I made a mistake. Yep. So okay, so then we'd like to write for underscore in range. Yep, in range height. Then we'd like to print. We put string over here, put dot join. Inside of this bracket we put random dot choice from emojis. For underscore in range width. Yep. Then we'd like to write time dot sleep 0.2. Save it up and let's run it. So let's see, guys, here we got an explosion. So okay, guys, this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.